Hello mga kapatid, so it's another cooking series and it's another recipe to share with you all. So this time we're going to make a garlic pasta, salmon garlic pasta. So i-marinate nyo muna yung inyong salmon for just 8 minutes and after that is tanggalin yung yung tinik, bones ba. So you need to do this and after that i-set aside nyo muna and then you need to chop your coriander kasi lalagyan natin siya ng coriander. And then you need to boil your pasta also. So naka-depend sa inyo kung ano yung gagamitin yung pasta. So dito halo-halo yung pasta na ginamit ko. So we have some shell and macaroni and like yung parang stick siya. Parang ganon. So, trip ko lang to guys. So, pero pag nag-boil kayong pasta guys, lagyan nyo siya ng salt and oil. Para mayami yung pasta. And then, you just, after you cook your pasta, you prepare your pan also and fry garlic first. And then, you need to add your salmon, fish. Or, if you have this mixed vegetables, you need to fry mixed vegetables first and then your salmon fish. So, kung wala yan at broccoli lang yung nilagay nyo, pwede din unahin nyo yung salmon fish. Nakadepends kasi wala kami ngayong broccoli, so yan yung ginamit ko, mixed vegetables. Pero kapag broccoli, kasi broccoli, binablanch siya, so dapat mauna yung salmon fish before the broccoli and then the pasta. Then you need to add salt and pepper. And that's it. So easy guys. So easy recipe. So then you add coriander. And it's so yummy na. So that's all guys. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share if nagustuhan nyo itong video. God bless you and take care always. Please respect each other and be kind always.